Lunch of ordinary Korean uni student. Hi everyone, it's lunchtime now, so join me to see what's for lunch. Today, the cafeteria has some special dishes. We are having bibimbap today, which is a Korean mixed rice with vegetables. Also, I will add some umami sauce on the top of the rice. The bowl of vegetables I picked contains bean sprouts, carrots, and seaweed. The next dish is a small skewer, a combination of rice cakes and sausage. Looks so tasty. For the third dish, we have marinated lotus root. This dish has a sweet flavor and it looks delicious. Next is spicy kimchi. A little bit will do. Finally, let's grab some probiotic milk and a bowl of kelp soup at the end of the line. How does my lunch look to you today? Thank you for watching.